Hi, welcome to Walton Vale Community Shop. I'm Helen and today we will be celebrating Shrove Tuesday by making pancakes. The ingredients for pancakes are 100 grams of plain flour, 1 to 2 eggs, 275 millilitres of milk, a pinch of salt and oil. We start by sifting the flour into a large bowl. Crack the egg and put in with the milk. Beat those together with a pinch of salt. Then take your whisk and add the egg and milk a little at a time. I'm using an electric whisk. You could use a hand whisk, but it'll just take a little bit longer. Once the batter has been made, return it to the jug and put in the fridge for a couple of hours. Because there's no raising agent, you could even make this the day before so it's ready for breakfast. Once the batter has rested, take a frying pan and put on a medium heat. Once your pan is hot, add some oil. If your oil isn't hot enough, your pancakes will get stuck to the bottom of the pan. Once the oil is hot, add enough pancake mix to cover the bottom of the pan and give it a swirl. Cook for about 2 minutes until the underside of the pancake is brown. As you can see, the bubbles are beginning to develop on the top. Once the pancake is cooked on the bottom, flip it over, either by using a spatula or by tossing. Shall we have a go? Leave for the other side to brown and then serve. Serve with your favourite filling, classic lemon and sugar, chocolate spread, syrup, bananas or any other filling you like.